Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Sun transit in Capricorn from 14th Jan 2021 to 12th of Feb 2021. You know very well, Sun is a king of all planets. Sun is a king of all planets. Sun is a Atma Karak planet, which will play a big role in astrology. Without Sun, we can't predict anything in astrology. Sun is a planet which is linked with your soul. Sun is a planet which is linked with your family tradition, which is linked with your father, which is linked with your family growth. All around success, your goodwill, your name, fame, prosperity, and your self-respect will increase if you have a good Sun placement in your birth chart. If you have a exalted Sun in your birth chart, like an Aries sign, you will definitely grow and get lot of good fame in life. You will get a lot of self-respect in life if you have a Sun in Aries sign in your birth chart. And if you have a Sun in Libra sign, in debilitated sign, you will live struggling life, whole life. You never get success. You never get self-respect. People are trying to cheat you. You never get good results from your life. You will face a lot of struggle and tension. But if you have a strong Sun in your birth chart, it means your soul is very pure. Today I'm going to talk about Sun transit in Capricorn from 14th Jan 2021 to 12th Feb 2021. Sun is one of the biggest planet in solar system, is a king of the astrology. So you know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow my videos, keep ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. Let's talk for the Aries ascendant. Aries ascendant, Sun transit in your 10th house with Jupiter Saturn from 14th Jan to 12th Feb 2021. You need to be careful while start anything new in your business. Even this is not a right time. You may get a lot of name, fame at your workplace, but don't invest your money anywhere. Don't put your money as an investment in stock market or anywhere, because Sun is in Capricorn sign. Sun is not comfortable here. And in Kalpurush Kundli, Sun transit in 10th house, which is not a well placement of the Sun. But those native who are in government job, those native who are in job or they are government employee, they may get blessed with the increment or promotion at job. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance if you are in job. But if you are in business, you will face a lot of struggle, hurdles, delay. Results is not as per your expectations. You need to be careful to investing your money till 12th of Feb 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendant, Sun transit in your 9th house. 9th house, Sun is very comfortable in Kalpurush Kundli. And in Taurus ascendant, Sun transit in your 9th house in Capricorn sign. In Capricorn sign, Sun is not comfortable. But in 9th house, Sun is very much comfortable. You will get promoted. If you want to switch off your job, then this is the right time. From 14th Jan to 12th of Feb 2021, you will be blessed with a lot of profits. If you try to find a new job, you will get job. If you try to start something new, this is the ultimate time. You must start. You will get fantastic results. Good gains are there. You will get a lot of finances. You will get a lot of name, fame at your workplace. Good fortune is in your favor. There is a strong chances. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Some religious activities will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Taurus, from 14th Jan to 12th of Feb, you will be sky high and top. Your professional life will be rock. You will enjoy a lot of good time at your workplace, and you will be busy whole this month from 14th Jan to 28th of Feb. 14th Jan to 12th of Feb. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini, Sun transit in Capricorn sign in your 8th house. You need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while signing any document. Someone may cheat you. Don't give your money to anyone. Be careful while driving. Take care of your health. Lower part of your stomach will be affected. Eyesight will be affected. Some knees pain or neck pain will create problem. You need to be careful about your health. From 14th Jan to 12th Feb 2021, this is not very productive time for you, Gemini. Don't sign anything, any new document. Don't be a part of any new business. Don't be a part of any new venture. Try to save your money in your saving account. That will be helpful a lot. Otherwise, you will be a part of lot of problems. Gemini, give some respect to your father and grandfather. It will be helpful a lot for you. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Cancer Ascendant Sun transit in your 7th house. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Don't use any egoistic word in front of your spouse. Don't show your attitude or ego. If you're a businessman, you are suffering from your profit. You will see mixed result at your professional life. If you are in job, you will face lot of struggle or tension from your senior side. You are not able to fulfill your all targets. From 14 Jan to 12 Feb 2021, you need to perform your best at your workplace. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant Sun transit in your Capricorn sign with Jupiter Saturn in your sixth house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful about your father health. Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Mercury already is in your 6th house. Don't sign anything new business deal. Don't do anything new. Don't invest your money anywhere. You need to take care of your father health. You need to take care of your grandfather health. This time you will create a lot of problems and hurdles. Your ascendant Lord transit in your 6th house. You may file some you may apply some loan from government side and your loan will approved. Your debts will increase. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will get a lot of good results from long distance journeys because four planets aspecting is on your 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Some over expenditures will irritate you. Now I am going to talk about Virgo Ascendant 5th house Sun transit. In your birth chart, you need to be careful while spending your money. This is not a right time to invest your money in stock market. If you are in a love affair or relationship, in a living relationship, you need to be careful while talking with your loved one. Virgo, this year will brings a lot of positivity for you. But start of like 14th Jan to 12th of Feb, you will see mixed result. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant, Sun transit in your 4th house. You need to be careful about your mother health. Your mother health matter of concern from 14 Jan to 12th of Feb 2021. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. Give some respect and honor to your mother. Your mother is a success key for you. Your 4 planet transit in your 4th house. Don't invest your money in real estate. Don't buy any new vehicle. Don't spend your money on luxury. Otherwise, you will be suffering in future related to finance. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Scorpio Ascendant, your confidence level will be sky high. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Due to your confidence level, you will create some magic at your workplace. You will enjoy all around success. Your finance will be good and you will enjoy a lot of good gains are there. Due to your hard work, you will achieve a lot of big milestones. Your siblings will support you, your family will support you. But 3rd house, Sun transit, you will get good news through email or communication. There is a strong chances for some far distance partnership will start, which will give you a lot of fruitful results. Scorpio, this is the ultimate time for you. You need to perform your best. 14th Jan to 12th Feb, you will be top. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant, Sun transit in your 2nd house. Your finances will increase. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. But need to be careful while talking with your father and grandfather. You need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. Give some respect. You need to take care of your father health because Jupiter Saturn is combust. Sagittarius, this is a time when your good fortune is in your favor, but after struggle you will get everything. You need to perform your best at workplace. Must show your respect for your elder at home must give your respect at your workplace to your seniors. Let's talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Capricorn Ascendant, Sun transit in your 1st house. Aspecting is on your 7th house, which is a house of your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Otherwise, divorce is there. Jupiter is combust, Saturn is combust, Sun transit in your 1st house. Don't show your ego and attitude. Always use good words in front of your spouse. Your daily income will be suffered. You are not comfortable with your spouse. If you are in a love affair or if you are in a living relationship, there is a strong chances of breakup. Jupiter is protecting you, there is no doubt, but Jupiter is combust, powerless in these days. You have to wait, you have to be patient. Try to give respect to your spouse. Try to be in this relationship. Otherwise, divorce is there, separation is there. Capricorn, you need to perform your best at your workplace. Your seniors are not satisfied from 14th Jan to 12th of Feb. But you will bless because Jupiter is in first house. It will give you support. Divine grace will help you. You will feel much relaxed. After struggle, you will get everything. But you need to be in touch with your spouse or your loved one with a polite talk. Don't underestimate anyone. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Some over expenditures will irritate you. You are feeling not well. Your savings will unbalancing. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some long distance journeys create problem. You will get lot of good opportunities. But due to the Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Sun is in your 12th house, opportunities will come, but you are not able to catch the opportunity. Be careful about your health. Be careful about health of any family member from 14th Jan to 12th of Feb. This is not very productive transit for you. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. You will be a part of any problem. Aquarius, be careful. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Jupiter, Saturn, Sun transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of your materialistic gains. From 14th Jan to 12th Feb, you will get lot of opportunities. You will get name, fame, prosperity. You will get money from other source. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Some new friend will enter in your life and they will give you wonderful advice. There is a strong chances for start any business venture with someone. Pisces, you need to cash this positive time of your life. 11th house, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, 4-4-5-5 planet transit in the month of Jan and Feb in your 11th house. Sun is also king of the planet, is also transit in your 11th house. You will get blessed with a lot of money. A big amount of money will knock you. Unexpected gains are there. You may get money from old investment from stock market. Your creativity, you will earn money through your creativity. Your creative ideas will create a lot of magic at your workplace. If you are entertainment industry, if you are media person, you will get lot of good deals. You may get promoted. Your salary will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Pisces, this is the ultimate time for you. You need to perform your best and you will get fantastic result. Looking forward of your great success. Praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam.